Looking for the best range hood in 2026? Before you buy, watch this. In this video, we're counting down the 6 best range hoods of 2026, comparing ventilation power, noise levels, design, filters, features, and overall value. Whether you need a powerful hood for heavy cooking or a sleek option for a modern kitchen, we've got options for different budgets and needs. Stay tuned until the end to see our number 1 pick and find out which range hood is truly worth buying in 2026. Number 6. The Cosmos CUS 668 ICS 750 is a versatile cooking appliance designed for home chefs who want convenience, performance, and a premium appearance in one package. One of its biggest highlights is the induction cooktop, which provides fast and precise heating while offering a smooth surface that's easy to wipe clean. The cooking zones give you plenty of flexibility when preparing multiple dishes at once. The spacious oven provides room for everyday cooking, baking, roasting, and larger family meals. With intuitive controls and a practical layout, switching between cooking functions is simple and convenient. The stainless steel design gives the CUS 668 ICS 750 a sleek, professional appearance that can complement a wide variety of modern kitchens. Its smooth lines and integrated controls create a clean and sophisticated look. Another advantage of induction cooking is efficiency. Heat is transferred directly to compatible cookware, allowing faster heating and precise temperature control while reducing wasted heat around the cooking surface. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday dinner, baking for the family, or cooking multiple dishes for guests, the Cosmos CUS 668 ICS 750 is designed to make everyday cooking easier. Number 5. The Zline KB30 is a 30-inch professional-style range hood designed to combine strong ventilation performance with an elegant, premium appearance. One of its biggest advantages is its powerful ventilation system, helping remove smoke, steam, grease, and cooking odors from your kitchen. Whether you're searing steaks, frying food, or preparing a large family meal, effective ventilation can make your cooking environment much more comfortable. The KB30 features a sleek stainless steel design that works beautifully with modern, traditional, and professional-style kitchens. Its clean lines and premium finish give your cooking area a sophisticated look while providing practical, everyday functionality. Another highlight is the adjustable chimney, which helps accommodate different ceiling heights and installation requirements. This makes the range hood more flexible when you're remodeling your kitchen or replacing an existing ventilation system. The hood also includes LED lighting, providing useful illumination over your cooking surface. This makes it easier to see what you're preparing, especially when cooking in the evening or in a dimly lit kitchen. For maintenance, the included filters are designed to capture grease and cooking particles while being removable for cleaning, helping keep the ventilation system working efficiently. Number 4. The Bro-Nutone Glacier 2 GLA 2303SS is a 30-inch under-cabinet range hood designed to provide effective ventilation, useful lighting, and convenient everyday operation. One of its biggest advantages is its powerful ventilation system, which helps remove cooking smoke, steam, grease, and unwanted odors from your kitchen. Whether you're frying, sautéing, boiling, or preparing a family dinner, proper ventilation can make your cooking environment more comfortable. The Glacier 2 features a stainless steel finish with a clean, contemporary appearance. Its under-cabinet design makes it a practical option for kitchens where space is limited, while its slim profile keeps the overall look neat and uncluttered. Another useful feature is the LED lighting, which provides bright illumination over your cooktop. Good lighting makes it easier to monitor your food and can also improve visibility when you're cooking in the evening. The hood includes multi-speed fan controls, allowing you to choose the appropriate ventilation level depending on what you're cooking. For lighter meals, a lower setting can be sufficient, while heavier cooking may call for increased airflow. Maintenance is also straightforward. The removable filters help capture grease and cooking particles and can be cleaned regularly to maintain ventilation performance. Number 3. The Robum R Max 3 is designed for home chefs who want strong ventilation, smart functionality, and a stylish design in one appliance. One of the biggest highlights of the R Max 3 is its powerful smoke and odor removal. Whether you're stir-frying, searing, grilling, or preparing meals that produce a lot of steam and grease, the hood is designed to capture cooking fumes efficiently and help keep your kitchen air cleaner. The modern professional-style design is another major advantage. Its sleek finish and streamlined appearance can complement contemporary kitchen cabinets, countertops, and other stainless steel appliances. The R-Max 3 also focuses on convenience. Its intuitive controls make it easy to adjust ventilation according to what you're cooking. You can choose stronger airflow when preparing greasy or smoky foods and use a lower setting for lighter cooking. Another important feature is its effective grease filtration system, which helps capture grease particles before they spread throughout your kitchen. Regular filter maintenance can help maintain ventilation performance and keep the system operating efficiently. For busy home cooks, strong ventilation isn't just about removing odors. It can also help reduce airborne grease and excess moisture, making the kitchen more comfortable during everyday cooking. Number 2, the Fodal JQG7505 is designed for home chefs who want strong ventilation, effective smoke capture, and a modern kitchen-friendly design. One of its biggest highlights is its high-performance ventilation system, engineered to capture cooking smoke, steam, grease, and odors quickly. This is especially useful if you regularly cook foods that produce heavy smoke or strong aromas. The JQG7505 uses a slanted design that brings the ventilation system closer to the cooking area. This helps capture fumes at the source before they have a chance to spread throughout your kitchen. Its modern appearance is another major advantage. The sleek stainless steel styling can complement contemporary kitchens while giving the cooking area a professional look. The hood features convenient controls that make it easy to adjust the fan speed based on your cooking needs. Use a lower setting for everyday meals or increase the airflow when you're frying, searing, or stir-frying. Another important feature is the grease filtration system, which helps capture airborne grease and cooking particles. Keeping the filters clean is essential for maintaining efficient airflow and long-term performance. The JQG7505 also includes integrated lighting to provide additional visibility over your cooking surface, making it easier to monitor food while preparing meals. Number 1, looking for a powerful under-cabinet range hood that can keep up with everyday cooking while maintaining a clean, modern appearance? The Hostlane UC PS18 is designed for homeowners who want strong ventilation, convenient controls, and a stylish upgrade for their kitchen. One of the biggest highlights of the UC PS18 is its powerful ventilation performance. It helps remove smoke, steam, grease, and cooking odors from the air, making it especially useful when frying, sautéing, grilling, or preparing meals that produce heavy fumes. The under-cabinet design is another major advantage. Instead of requiring a large wall-mounted installation, the hood fits neatly beneath your kitchen cabinets, making it an excellent choice for kitchens where space and a clean appearance are important. The hood offers multiple fan speeds, allowing you to adjust airflow according to what you're cooking. Use a lower setting for light cooking or increase the power when you're dealing with smoke, steam, or strong odors. Another useful feature is the integrated LED lighting, which provides illumination over your cooktop. This makes it easier to see your food while cooking, particularly in kitchens with limited overhead lighting. Maintenance is also an important part of the design. The removable filters help capture grease and airborne cooking particles, and regular cleaning helps maintain airflow and overall performance. The UC-PS18 also has a sleek, professional-inspired appearance that can complement stainless steel appliances and modern kitchen cabinetry. Its relatively compact design makes it a practical option for both kitchen renovations and replacement projects. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday meal or cooking a full dinner for the family, the Hostlane UC PS18 is designed to make kitchen ventilation more effective and convenient. If you're searching for an under-cabinet range hood with strong ventilation, adjustable fan speeds, LED lighting, and a modern design, the Hostlane UC PS18 is definitely worth considering for your next kitchen upgrade.